I have made this course for those who want to learn making a single page theme with the assistance of Bootstrap. So friends, join this course and be an expert of making any kind of responsive theme. Learn building a responsive theme from scratch by using HTML 5.0 and CSS3 with Bootstrap to a good level. Friends, first of all, I would like to show you the preview of that theme which will be made in this course. So friends, first of all, you see that this is the slider, full width slider which is running, and you also watch the navigation bar and this background rectangular effect. So I click over it about a section. So this box design applied on this about a section. If I click over this about our team, then this rectangular style has been applied on our team section, and if I scroll it up, then automatically it has changes to other section. So friend, I have also made this video section, and I have also placed this fancy box on this video. So when a user will click over this fancy box to watch the video, then it will be open within few seconds and this video will begin to run. So friend, if I refresh this page and I show you the other effects of this layout, so I come down. So this is the what we do section, and I have also placed over this hover effects over all these sections, and I have also run animation and transition. So if I scroll down, and this is the why we are invincible section, I come down and this is our team section, and you see that these are the hover effects of this our team section images, and I have also run the animation on them. If I refresh, then you can see the animation and transition. If I scroll it down more, so this is the sum of our recent work. So there are also hover effects, and these are the buttons. So if I click, then you can watch these images, and there is also a slider, and if I click over any image, then these images will be showing in this way. So friend, now I scroll it down, and this is our special offer. Check out our special offers, and I have also placed hover effects over all these images and run the transitions. I refresh the page, so you see that this page is showing in this way. So if I scroll down, then this is our clients section, and it is also running this slider. Slider is also running over it. Draggable system. I have run a draggable system over it. If I scroll it down, so this is the rating section, and I have also placed a draggable system over it. So if I scroll it down more, then this is, we have a creative platform section, and this is the counter. So the counter is running. So I scroll it down more, and this is the context section, and this is the map, and this is the footer. And I have also placed this button. If I click over it, it will bring the user at the top of the layout. So friend, all these things will be made in this course. So now I go back to my presentation and tell you what will you learn. We will make an advanced level fully responsive single page full width theme by using HTML 5.0 and CSS3 with the assistance of Bootstrap. So you will learn the usage of HTML 5.0 tags, CSS3 properties, and Bootstrap at their appropriate place rightly. And the third is, what will you achieve after learning this course? You will be an expert of the usage of HTML 5.0 tags. You will be an expert of the usage of CSS3 properties. You will be an expert of making any kind of responsive single page web design layout by using HTML 5.0 and CSS3 with the assistance of Bootstrap. You will be able to customize any HTML 5.0, CSS3 and Bootstrap made layout. You will be able to fix the HTML 5.0 and CSS3 errors of any layout. You would do work on any freelancing website for making responsive HTML 5.0 and CSS3 themes. So friend, join this course and learn of making this kind of single page completely responsive layout.